Everyone seeks validation from someone or something. So there is a need for us to be loved, to be cared for, to be looked after with kind eyes. And this type of love we radiate and want to experience from the others. So the topic for today is going to be, there is no need to be loved. Because the love that you have in yourself and the love that Christ can provide is more than enough for what we can see. And that is what we are going to see for today. So before we go inside this, what is love? Is love limited to desires? Is love limited to pleasure? Is love limited to sex only? Or is there love for money, power, authority, and so on? These types of love, they are all worldly love. They are all materialistic and they cannot go on for a long time. We have to experience the divine love. And how can we experience this? This says very clearly in 1 John chapter 2 verse 15. Love not the world, nor let worldly things engage your affections. For he that is worldly is affected, is a stranger to divine love. This beautiful verse talks about the worldly love and divine love. The worldly love that you can see right now is limited, does not give you satisfaction. It makes you anger, makes you tempted even. These types of love are worldly love. But when you take about the divine love, the affection that it can provide, the faith that it can produce, the assurity that you can have through this love, even the protection of God's love that is around you, that is what we need in this life right now. A mind that isn't free cannot love. This is a very important thing for us to see, people, because a mind which has limitations, which has anger, which has self-doubt, or which does not have the capacity to alter with another human being, that mind can also not feel love. That mind cannot also seek for validation. Because the mind that cannot love, cannot give love freely and cannot accept love freely. So the validation is the only thing that that mind is looking for. So until you set your mind right and free, you will not feel the love that God has to provide for you in your life. And that is what we are going to see again in another Bible verse. In 1 John chapter 4 verse 17 it says, this is the beautiful verse that I wanted to tell you, and with this we will get this done. By this, love is perfected with us, so that we may have confidence in the day of judgment, because as He is, so also are we in this world. The love that God has given for us is perfected. Through what? Through the Holy Spirit that He has provided in us. The Trinity that I've always said. God the Father, Christ the Son, and the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit is the one who lives inside us. And the love that the Holy Spirit generates inside us will take us till the end of our judgment days. And when the judgment days come, when it is right there, what love have you radiated? If Jesus asks you right now, what will you say? Did you radiate divine love, or did you radiate self-love, or love of this world, or love for money, or love for the attractions, or love for people? What did you portray yourself as? Did you give the divine love, or did you give yourself? So, the concept of not to be loved, the concept of not seeking love from anything or anyone in this world right now is what we are going to see. So you need content to not feel that type of validation in your life. And where does this content come from you? As we read in the previous Bible verse, content comes from Christ. And when Christ gives you that content, then you will have that content in your life. I don't know how many of you understand this. Christ gives content. Christ gives satisfaction. Christ gives healing. Christ gives deliverance. Christ gives the power for you to go on with your life. As it is right now, it will change because of Christ and only of Christ. And when you understand that concept that Christ is giving you the satisfaction that you need in your life to go on, that is when you will have that content on your own. See, wanting to be loved is another thing. But needing that love, seeking that validation from others is not the thing that we are looking for right now. A lot of people have also tried to overcome this problem of seeking love, but then later they could not find the answer or solution for this. So yeah, here it is, people. I've given you a proper solution through Christ for the problem that you face through love. And I hope it has helped you in some way. Do not get hooked up on your own stories of love. Rather, get out of it, look at the reality, and see what you're going to do for your next step, for your future, for your present. And then you will seek all the validation that you need from Christ, and that content that He will give you will be more than enough in our life, in mine as well as in yours. So people, thank you for your time. Do not seek love from anyone. There is no need of love from the others as long as Christ is with us and His heart of love is inside us. Thank you, people. Until we meet again for our next episode of this Devotions.